looking like. What's going on today, guys? So I'm going to make a cracker for your stock whip. So, hang on, everybody. Without further ado, let's get into it. So what do you want to do first? I don't know if you can see that actually. Hang on. I'll move back a bit. So what you want to do is get your piece of hay band, put it in half, and get your cutting object. Mine is my hay knife. I got this one from America, my hay knife. It's actually quite nice if you get in the right colour sun. See? So doing hay, see the hay over there? You cut all the hay band off it. So that's that. So what you do is cut that. So what you just do is cut it where your length is. If I can. Like that. I think I've actually done it too short. But what you want to do, put the end of your mouth and twist it. So it's not going good, but like that. You have to twist it a fair bit. Grab it like that and just let it go and it will twist. And there you have it, a cracker. So then you like that, fold it around where the plate is, bring it up until you get the like that. It's a perfect little cracker. I'll grab the whip. Oh, that was my knife. Oh, alright, see, as you can see, I got it exactly from USA. See? It's a good knife too. Looks good. Alright. So, just a quick video for today. I tried doing a hut video, but that did not work at all. Did not work out. Here we go, and this is also how to do a cattleman's crack. So yeah. Alright guys, so here it is. How to do a cattleman's crack. So what you do, you bring the whip over as if you're just bringing it over. What you just do, bring it over. Bring it over. Bring it over, just straight up, or a little, oh my cracker just come off. Hang on everybody. Obviously I need to put the cracker on tight. But yeah, so what you just need to do is just bring the whip straight up. Sorry, not straight up, on a little bit of an angle. Just a little bit. But yeah, let's get the cracker on. The cattleman's crack. Is it on? She on. Alright. That wasn't a cattleman's crack, by the way, sorry. Alright, here you go. So up, down. Up, down. Here it is in slow motion. That was just a quick video. I haven't got really any ideas, any plans or anything, so I think next video we're going to do some BMXing, which will be, next video will be right now, after this one. I usually do 2 a week, and yeah, we'll see what happens. Everybody, like always, subscribe, slap that bell, leave a like, and comment if you want what you want me to do next. I'm always up for a challenge. So like always, stay cool, stay safe, peace.